Is your garage door stuck, damaged, or refusing to close properly when you need it most? A garage door problem can happen at the worst possible time and quickly turn into a major hassle. It can leave your home less secure, trap your car inside, and interrupt your entire day or night. That is why homeowners trust Hampton Door Pros for professional and affordable 24/7 garage door repair in Hampton, VA. We provide fast and dependable service for urgent garage door issues, including broken springs, damaged cables, faulty openers, worn rollers, and doors that are off track or not working safely. Our experienced team is ready to respond quickly and restore your garage door the right way. At Hampton Door Pros, we understand how important your garage door is to your home's security, convenience, and peace of mind. That is why we focus on prompt response times, quality workmanship, and affordable repairs that get your garage door working again as quickly and correctly as possible. Call 978-577-2337 now for professional and affordable 24/7 garage door repair in Hampton, VA.